fireworks.
Well, they're kind of loud.
Nah, bro, they're actually beautiful in this game. They're beautiful than real fireworks.
How are they beautiful?
They're like squares. Isn't that beautiful? And it's like, it sounds just like the real thing.
Guys,
And usually you have to wait till the 4th of July for fireworks.
if you scream in my ear, I will. If you say, then
Whoa.
I'll scream
I
so
am
loud.
2 feet from the explosive. I feel like I'm gonna have a hernia.
A hernia? What the freaking hernia? Oh fuck!
Do you think this is a safe distance?
No.
That's the same distance as good.
Nah, jump into the fireworks.
I don't think that's.
Ah!
I
He lost. I just lost. It looked like he just lost all of his IQ. Wait, is it over?
He jumped for nothing.
I did jump for nothing. Oh,
It's over!
But why? Shouldn't you be getting away from me, buddy?
Yeah, he lost all of his IQ. Bye, guys.